Last week, I shared my homemade chocolate chip cookies, and today we're turning them into ultimate summer treats. If your family loves cookies and ice cream, you're going to love this easy dessert. Don't forget your sprinkles. You can use any type you like. You can start with 2 completely cooled chocolate chip cookies. Scoop your favorite ice cream onto one cookie, then gently press the second cookie on top. If you missed my homemade chocolate chip cookie recipe, be sure to check out my last week's video and make a batch first. For an extra fun touch, roll the edges in rainbow sprinkles. It adds color, a little crunch, and makes these cookie sandwiches perfect for kids. The best part, you can switch up the ice cream flavors and toppings to make every sandwich your own. Once they are assembled, place them in a freezer for about 30 minutes so everything firms up. The result is soft homemade cookies, creamy ice cream, and colorful sprinkles, all in one delicious bite. These cookie sandwiches are perfect for summer afternoons. Grab a cookie and enjoy. Until we meet again, have a great day.